Are you tired of the scheduling chaos and wondering if upgrading your Calendly is the key to unlocking scheduling zen? First, let's break down the Calendly free version, your no-cost entry point. You get one event type, meaning you're limited to offering just one kind of meeting, and it connects to only one calendar. Perfect for basic personal scheduling or a side hustle. Now, the paid version is where things get interesting. Multiple event types. Check. Team scheduling for coordinating availability across your colleagues. Absolutely. Plus, integrations with tools like Zoom, Google Meet, and even CRM systems like Salesforce. The upgrade also unlocks custom branding to showcase your company and SMS reminders to reduce no-shows, along with reporting and analytics to refine scheduling strategy. So, who wins? If you need simple scheduling and only manage one calendar, the free version is your friend. But growing businesses, teams, or anyone needing advanced features and integrations will find the paid version indispensable for streamlining workflows and maximizing productivity. What are your scheduling struggles? Share in the comments if you are using the free or paid version of Calendly, then decide what suits your needs.